Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. First, open calendar application. In it we must tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 24th of October. There is plus icon, and first step you can add title of your event. There we can add emoji to that and change color about our notification to this event. In this part you can set when event starts and finish in which time, or we can set by switch on, it will be all the event. Location of that, we can add this event, access to this event as event about our family, house or something like that. Add it to group, which we create earlier. There we can set when even alert to this event as an remember, repeat of that if we need. Notes. We can make video conference and event start. We can add attachment to that and invite some people. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press save and we have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.